Today I want to share something really exciting with you guys. I got a donation of used clothing from somebody who donated to me back in March. I just wanted to share with you everything that I got. Hey guys, my name is Gordon-Goldstein and I'm a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today, like I said, we're gonna go through all these items. These were donated to me recently from a lady who donated to me earlier this year. She reached out again, said she cleaned out her closet and had some more items for me. So I just wanted to show you what I got to give you an idea of maybe some items that may be donated to you if you happen to reach out on Nextdoor or something like that. What I did, I posted back in March when everything kind of shut down and said, hey, I'm a part-time reseller. My business kind of relies on new inventory, and since I'm not able to go to the thrifts right now, I would love any donations that you have if you're cleaning out your closet. So I did have a bunch of people reach out to me. I got a bunch of donated clothing, and this woman reached out again and donated these items. So without further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm just gonna kind of tell you what I'm listing them for as of right now. I think I listed about half of these items already. The rest should be up in about the next week or so. I guess first I'll start with the shoes, and these are a pair of Cole Haan. And these are the Bombra Skimmer Flat, and these are a size 9. These look to be in excellent condition. I don't see any scuff marks or anything, and they have this cute little embellishment in the back. The soles are in perfect condition, and these will really be a great addition to my closet. I plan on listing these for about $50. Next, we have two pairs of bike shorts, and I'm not familiar with cycling or anything. I know bike shorts in general are kind of like in style right now, but these are actual like athletic bike shorts because they have the padding in them. The first pair is LO Bean. These are a size medium, and they have the padding and the little emblem on the side there. And then this pair is from the brand Bellwether. They have the emblem on both thighs. These are also padded, also a size medium. So I will list both of these for $25 each. I have two bathing suits here, and they're both one pieces. They're both Michael Kors. This one's kind of an olivey green color, and it sort of has like the lacing up the back, which is really cute, and it just has the logo. This green one is a size 12, so that's a great size. I think I'm gonna list this for about $25. And this black one, the front has sort of a lace detail on it. Very deep V, just kind of like a crisscross back with the gold logo down here. This one has a size tag cut out. I'm gonna assume it's also a size 12 and include measurements on it just based on the other one and the other sizes of clothing here. But I will also list this one for $25. Next, we have this pair of like cargo pants. And at first I was just kind of like, all right, cargo pants, like that's not really that fashionable right now. They sort of have like the pull tab thing at the bottom of the hem with the buttons so you can roll them up. The back have pockets. They're the brand Level 99. It turns out that these were sold at Revolve. These are the Dela cargo pants. These are size 30, which is a good size. I forget how much they retail for, but I'm gonna list these for $35 in my closet. All right, next we have another pair of pants. These are more of like a paper bag style pant with the tie around the waist. They're like an olivey green color, wide leg, full length pants. These are a size large. This is by the brand Thread and Supply. These are super, super cute. I really might actually keep them for myself because I don't have anything like this. They have front pockets. Thread and Supply is a really great brand. These retailed for $79, and I'll list them for $29 in my closet. Here we have this top, and it's a 100% linen top. It's sort of color blocked. It's not really mixed media because the whole thing is linen, but it does have this side slit here, full button front, and the back is sort of the same thing. It does have the pull tab sleeves with the button here, and this is the brand Artisan New York. Again, it's 100% linen. This is a size medium, just a nice flowy tunic style top. I believe this retails for a good amount of money. There were actually some comps on this exact top on Poshmark, so I'm gonna list this for $29. Some of the items are a little odd and I couldn't really find information on them, but you'll see later in this haul, there's some good stuff in here. And I did already sell one piece, which is really exciting. So this next piece, this is from the Vanity Room. I'm not entirely sure. I couldn't really find a whole lot of information on this exact dress. It's sort of cinched at the waist here, which is a really nice detail. It's long sleeve, it's black, and it's sort of just really flowy at the bottom here. The Vanity Room seems to do pretty well and people seem to know this brand. I've never heard of it before, so this is new to me, but comp support listing this around $25. Next we have just like this plain black workout top, and this is from the brand Head. This is also a new to me brand. I've never heard of this before. It's just sort of a black workout top. Here's the logo. This is a great workout top. It's a size large, and apparently people do know this brand because there were a ton on Poshmark, and I'm gonna list this for $19. The next two items are just some t-shirts that she donated. This first one here is a Pro Football Hall of Fame t-shirt, and I don't know, that's pretty cool. If it wasn't a size small, I would maybe actually keep this because it is Steelers colors, and they're doing awesome this year. So anyway, it's just a sort of graphic tee. The back is plain and it's super soft, so that should do well. I'm sure somebody will want that. And then we have this shirt. Is that a stain on that? I can't. There might be a stain on this, and this one I was maybe gonna keep for myself anyway. It just says jeans, t-shirt, top knot, and it's just a really flowy, sort of loose cut t-shirt. This is a size medium, and this brand is typically sold on like Etsy, where they do like graphic tees for bachelorette parties and things like that. Back is just plain, so if this does have a stain on it, which I think it does, I might just keep this for myself. Otherwise, I'd list it for like $12, and then this shirt I think I'm gonna list for $12 as well. Here we have another item that I really am not sure about. The brand is Renee C. This doesn't have a size on it either. So again, based on a lot of the other items here, it's probably a medium or a large. And it's this cowl front or cowl neck dress. Definitely hard to see because it's black, but it is sort of like a mini dress. The back sort of has like a high neck, and it's a little mesh back here. It's like a mesh overlay on the back. And the front does have a scoop neck here behind the cowl neck, so it's not super low. And there were some other Renee C items listed. I'm gonna list this one for $20. Next we have another black item, and black is so hard to photograph. This is the brand Soft Surroundings, and I believe this is a size large, and it's 100% linen. It's just got loose flowy sleeves, button front. I have another Soft Surroundings shirt in purple, almost exactly like this, that was donated to me earlier this year. That's still sitting. I'll probably list this for about $20. Next we have this dress, and it's sort of like a raglan style top here. Long sleeves, striped. It's kind of a cream and gray color. It hits right above the knee, and this is really, really cute. I love it. The only issue is on the back, that there are some pulls in the material here. I was gonna list it for about $25, but I might just do it for $15. This is a good brand, but just with these flaws on the back, I don't think I'll be able to get as much for it. Okay, now we're getting into some really exciting stuff. We have these two beautiful tops. They're the exact same top. They're just in different colors. This is the item that sold already. They're both Free People, and this is called the Twyla top. It's very sheer. It's just absolutely gorgeous, just layered. It's got ruffles at the shoulders and these ties at the neckline. This would look really gorgeous with a really lacy bralette underneath. This one sold. They're both size extra larges. A lot of people, as soon as I listed these, were liking both of these tops. I was really hoping that somebody would bundle both and buy them together, but this one has already sold. I'll be packing this up to ship tomorrow, but the navy blue one is still available, and this is gorgeous. If I had anywhere to wear it right now, I would totally keep it for myself. Again, this one is also an extra large. Free People. I priced them both at $39. The blush colored one sold for $33, but this one is still in my closet. All right, next we have this dress, and this is by the brand Lavender Brown, and it is a size small. It's sort of an off-the-shoulder dress with these really flowy, wide, kind of like peasant sleeves, and it's just kind of a flowy bottom as well. It is fully lined, and the back is exactly the same. It's in this really pretty sort of rusty, sort of deep, dusty rose color. It's just really, really beautiful, and I don't know this brand. I'm not familiar familiar with it, but it seems like it retails for a few $100s, and the comps on Poshmark for dresses from this brand are really, really great. So I aimed high on this and listed it for $79. You know, even if I get 50, that's still really great on an item that was donated to me. We'll see what happens with this, but it's really, really pretty. Next we have this really cute mock neck like buffalo check sweater. This is new with tags, Rachel Zoe. Rachel Zoe is an excellent brand. I did get a Rachel Zoe dress in my last ThredUp mystery box. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here and you can check that out. But that dress happened to be an actual designer Rachel Zoe piece. The lining on that dress was a little stained, so I only listed it for I think 10 or 15 bucks. Like I said in that video, some Rachel Zoe pieces are sold at like TJ Maxx and stuff, and unfortunately this is one of those pieces, so the retail value is not as high as it would be on like a designer Rachel Zoe piece, but this is still really cute. It's a size extra large. It has like that mock neck. It's the same in the front and the back, super soft, and like I said, it is new with tags, so I listed this for $29 in my closet. Next we have a set of items, and these are from White House Black Market, and it is a set. So this sort of cowl front sweater is supposed to go on top of this racer tank. As you can see, the tank is a bit longer than the sweater, so it kind of sticks out the bottom and makes for a really cute layered look, and they are sold together as a set at White House Black Market. So I plan on listing this as a set just for $29. The resale value on White House Black Market isn't that great, but this is a really cute set. It's super, super soft. It's like a blush pink. The sweater is a size large, and so is the racer tank. So these are both a size large and really, really cute. You could even just wear this top piece as sort of like a cropped sweater. I think that would be really cute too. All right, next we have this mustard colored sort of tiered tunic top. I thought it might be a dress at first. I guess it could be. You could wear bike shorts underneath and just make it like a super cute flowy dress. It has this really cute keyhole in the back and this bow tie here, and the high is sort of a front mock neck. The exciting part about this is that it is made by Anthropologie. The second good thing about this is it retails for $150. The bad part about this top is that there is a stain here. So yeah, you can see it right there. So this is a dry clean only top. It's 100% viscose, so I'm not sure that I should even try to get this out myself. It might go to the dry cleaners because there is one more top that is gonna be worth getting stains out of, so we'll see. It has a ton of interest because, like I said, it retails for $150. I listed it for $25 in my closet, so as a Maeve Anthropologie piece, it's getting a ton of interest, but I'm sure people go in the listing and see the stain and, you know, aren't quite as interested anymore. So we'll see what ends up happening with this. Right now it's in my closet, noting the flaw for $25. Here is my other piece that does have some discoloration and staining, but is probably going to be worth getting that out. This is the brand Current Air. This Current Air piece is also a size large, which is excellent. This was sold at Anthropologie, so that's great as well. It's a very silky material. It's kind of like an olivey green. It's kind of hard to tell. The issue is, can you see this discoloration here? That's sort of throughout the item, and which is really unfortunate. You can probably see a little bit on that side as well, but it's a really gorgeous top. The back does have this kind of split back detail. It's just really gorgeous, but I think it's gonna be worth sending this and the Maeve piece to the dry cleaner to hopefully get those stains out, because these would be worth so much more money if they didn't have those flaws on them. And this is called the Lustered blouse, and I have it listed right now for $29 in my closet. All right, here is the last piece, and how many did we have? The two bike shorts and the shoes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
24, so 24 items that were donated, and I think that's awesome. So this is the last piece. It's almost like getting a ThredUp mystery box, but I didn't have to pay for it. If you enjoy ThredUp mystery box openings or rescue boxes, I have a ton of those on my channel. Well, not a ton, I have a couple, but I plan on doing a ton more, and I'll link that playlist above of have all my ThredUp Rescue Box unboxings if that's something that you're interested in. But here's the last piece. This is Zara. It's sort of this like olive green, mustardy, like marled color. It's a spaghetti strap dress and it has these ribbons. It's so hard to show this. It has these ribbons on the side here to cinch, ooh, that's good, to cinch these ruffles. So the tighter you make that, the smaller those ruffles will be. And it's just a really flowy sort of boho dress. This is what the back looks like. And the model picture for this is wonderful. And I'm so glad that I found it because I think it really helps to show off the dress, you know, when it's on a body and not just kind of hanging on a hanger, because this is really gorgeous. It's just hard to show hanging here. This dress is a size large. The only thing wrong with it, there's a little bit of pulling in the fabric here. It's very hard to see and it's really not that noticeable. It's just sort of the nature of this fabric, but I listed this dress for $25. So with all of these items, I did the math, and after you take out the Poshmark fees for everything that I have these items listed for right now, plus the Free People blouse that already sold, I could potentially make about $500 on these items that were donated to me. I think that's amazing. So don't be afraid to reach out if that's something that's available to you. You know, Facebook Marketplace and like the Nextdoor app are great to do that with. And you never know what you're gonna get. Some of the donations you may get may be a bunch of like Walmart brands, but you could also get some really decent items. So you really never know what's gonna happen until you reach out. If you saw anything that you like, definitely check out my Poshmark closet. I always link that below. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. I'm really curious. I absolutely love the two Free People tops. These are so me. The other dangerous thing is these are all pretty much my size. I think my other favorite were the Thread and Supply paper bag pants, so these may not even get listed, but let me know down below what your favorite was. I think that's it for today. So if you like content like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.